Hello my beautiful friends, and today's video is about my weekly laundry routine, and I'm going to go over the rules that I follow while I actually put my stuff away. Rule number one that I do is separate piles. So I do all the colors together with the 3 kids and me and my husband. So what I do is create 5 separate piles, one of each person's, and then what I do is pick one pile. That's rule number 2. So pick one pile and separate hanging items and non-hanging items. So let's say undershirts or pajamas that doesn't need to be hung. Those are things that I sort out. And then third thing that I do is no fold rules. Because I have little kids, it takes ages. I used to fold their clothes and put it in the Chester drawer. This time, ever since we moved into the house, I stopped folding all the clothes. What I do is I have baskets and I put all their underwears in one basket with their socks in the other bin and then their pajamas in one. And for my daughter, she has separate bins for separate categories. Let's say for leggings, for stockings, for underwear, socks, undershirts. She's a girl, so she needs more, as you can tell. So those are the rules that I follow simply to put away laundry. Hope this helps you, and I'm just gonna do my routine and show you how I do everything. So let's begin. So you can see this is the laundry basket. So I am in an empty room with some clothes already on the bed and some hangers. So let's begin by sorting them out of the basket and make 5 different piles. Okay, so let me show you the piles. So this is for Rian, all his clothes. Second pile is Minal's, and then for Azan, and then that's my husband's on the floor, and then that's my pile. So now we're gonna sort out these piles and then I'll show you the rest. Okay, so one pile's done. Now this is the bin where I put all his pajamas, his undershirts and underwears in it. So this is the pile that's gonna go in there, and these are the clothes that are hung. I just need to hang them in his closet. Okay, so this is Minal's pile. Now these are all the clothes hung. These are all her leggings, her socks, undershirts, underwear, and her pajamas. So I'll show you the system that we have in place in her closet. So all her clothes are hung here. Her pajamas are up there in the unicorn bin. And then we have all these little bins with the stuff in it. So now we're just going to place everything in its place, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is Ryan's pile. These are all the clothes hung. Those are his pajamas, his underwear, socks, and his undershirts and leg warmers that he wears to school. So this is how I have his closet organized. So these are his clothes hung. Then I have this bin. The smaller bin in there has his underwears and socks. The bin underneath has his leg warmers and undershirts. And then this bin has his pajamas inside. So this is how I did his closet. Thank you so much for staying for the rest of the video and watching my weekly laundry hacks. This is how I do my laundry. You don't have to do it exact same way, but this is just a little quick overview of how I get stuff done when you have 3 kids and you have a lot of stuff to do. So this doesn't take that much time. I know I hate putting away laundry. It's one of my pet peeves, but there's no one else who's got to do it, and I have to do it. So stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment down below. Lots of love. Bye.